What's over there? Underground tunnel?
Huh?
Underground tunnel? Hello? What is that? Bat?
I don't know how they're called in English,
Bats?
but krakždutės.
Oh.
Yeah, see they're on
Yeah. I'm gonna try
the
to...
board. So, should I go for the challenge?
No.
That's a chimney, I guess.
So, basically started from there, came all the way
Over
that way. You don't see the end, but now we basically made a fucking circle. So,
and I guess we need to go over that way to go like to those railings.
careful.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Yeah.
glass.
There's pretty much a floor right there, but there's no ceiling for that floor.
Oh,
So
well,
I would like to get up there to see what's up, what's what, and go from there. But at this point, there's no more staircase that's going up. So we're
Oh shit,
trying
you
to.
remember the staircase?
Yeah.
oh yeah.
So we're
There was a
probably-
stairs on the like I showed
We
you.
don't need to
You wanna go?
move.
Yes.
Do you need help?
No.
Okay. Okay, so the floors are kinda mushy or something,
Yeah, the floor is really weak.
and soft.
Basically, it's like the feeling when you walk on thin ice, it like cracks underneath your feet. So basically, we hear the same thing walking right on this floor. I don't know. Now, maybe this is a better place, but right there, it was fucking scary. Oh shit!
It's like really unstable. Yes, sir.
That's okay.
Okay, no.
Well, they're like fortified or something. There's another staircase.
Yeah.
I wonder how many floors are here.
We're, if I'm not mistaken, it's
We're on the
Five?
floor.
third floor.
What?
But it's all of 5.
5 floors?
5 floors.
Supposed to be 5 floors or something like that. The view from here actually, that's really nice. Almost above the trees. Let's hope we won't crack through the floor here.
We came from here?
Yeah, we went just.
Yeah, so I have no idea what's that.
So, should I go for the challenge?
No.
And what will you see?
No,
I mean, like what?
please. Oh, you are so dumb.
No, he's just adrenaline fanatic.
Balls.
Oh my god, I can't watch. Come back, please. Oh, shit.
Well, there's like only 10 meters to fall down, or like 20.
Yeah, but there's a lot of
Yeah, whatever. But it's only 10 meters, so.
there's a lot of junk. Oh, what's that?
Yeah, those look like some kind of.
It's from wall or no?
No, it's plastic. Holy!
Oh my god!
I thought you crashed on the floor.
Mate, stop it.
If you can't, just don't go, dude. I mean, like, nobody's.
Oh.
Yeah, so those looks like kinda plastic. If my camera would.
It's not plastic.
It's ceramic. No, it's plastic. Wait, what? It looks like a plastic stuff, you know.
It's yeah.
We said you so. So yeah, those looks like plastic parts for I don't know, some manufacturing they were doing here.
I can't watch that, but you're a dumbass.
I mean, like, what?
Oh. Yeah.
Don't go there.
You have to. What's that? What's that? Look at that.
Na. Aš nežinau, kaip žmonės maina va taip ir pareina va taip.
Well, yeah, some broken staircases.
Where was fire?
Yeah.
I guess that would be the last destination, like almost to the top. And here should be like a fabric stuff again. Yeah, so we're almost on the same level for the tall trees back there. Well, at least the floor is feeling like a stronger one. The same as on the...
Yeah.
There's literally nothing.
Okay.
But there is something.
Over
Right
here. Okay.
So I would like. Not worth it.
Well, actually, this looks like an apocalyptic stuff from the games or movies.
Yeah.
Trees and fauna on the floors of the buildings, like literally inside.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
What are you?
What that? Now
Oh
this.
my god. There's.
What are you?
Now this is a fucking deal. Oh.
Let's.
Like literally a bird went flying from there, like
No, not from. There's two nests.
yeah, there's the
Oh
two
no,
nests.
no, here. There's a nest right here. Right
Okay.
here. You see the poop? Right there.
Oh yeah, so basically,
There's a nest.
so yeah, well basically the bird went fly like literally through my head, like really close. Just imagine the view we're having like right here.
Yes.
Oh, the floor is creaking. squeaking. Yeah, so
Yo,
what?
there he is.
Yeah.
Come here. So, come here and tell me. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Is there a way to go there? Is there like a ladder or some climbing stuff?
I think there should be a way up on the hill.
There should be, yeah. Because I guess this is the top floor,
Yeah, this
and
Ooh.
on every top
Oh,
floor.
look, this is the thingy.
Oh wait,
Remember
what?
when I said there's a floor without the ceiling on
Yeah.
the floor?
Yeah.
So this is it.
But wait, why is the floor on that?
Oh, this was
It's a lift shaft? That's just a tunnel.
this was the
Elevator shaft?
the elevator shaft is here. See?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and this was the mechanism for the elevator. That used to
Oh,
lift and
that's
lower.
why it's a bit
Yeah,
upper than
yeah,
this
yeah.
floor. Okay.
Yeah, that's what it is.
From this nest, my glasses are fogging.
A dick.
Yeah, a lot of graffiti stuff. 2011, 2014, 17, yeah. This is how close we're to the edge. I mean, like, only few meters. I mean, not only a few meters, it's only a meter and a half, I guess, and not even that. And, like, there is only no way to up?
Huh?
No way for up?
I don't know.
Okay.
I heard that.
What? Would you go up?
No.
Why?
Is she a pussy?
So nice.
Simona and Ilona.
These bricks are not
Oh,
really-
Syama. What?
Found the way out.
That's bricks.
Just
Okay.
hold me.
Guys,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you gotta see this.
Okay.
Coming.
Need a hand?
Do you wanna climb? Yeah. Climb.
Give me the phone. Give me the camera. This look awesome. Oh my god. That was the elevator mechanism we were. Oh my god. The view here is gorgeous.
Okay.
Yeah. This will be a problem.
What? What's the problem?
Really unstable.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
But there it is.
Wait.
Oh.
No, I mean like
Motherfucker.
if he can, I can too. Like, look at the nature. It tries to live in various like places. Even on how it is even possible.
I'm not gonna go up.
Why?
I don't know. I ain't feeling it.
Well, if you are not going, neither of us are going.
But you know what?
No.
You know what?
Don't go there too.
I said I am going right there into that balcony.
Are you really?
How?
But exactly
Wait.
how?
That's really weird.
It's actually really hard.
No fucking way.
Yeah.
Balcony.
What is that, alarm or what?
It's a train
It's a
train station.
train coming from Minsk or something.
Oh,
This for a long time.
Yeah,
actually,
a couple of hours usually.
oh, okay. Just drop down. Okay, so we're at the chimney.
Near the chimney.
Yeah, near, well, whatever.
Yeah, I'm not going in there.
Um,
There can be Japanese hornets in that thing, so I
Japanese hornets, okay.
Yeah, is that the thing? Motherfucker.
Okay.
Ai, matai, vat kabliai kur yra. Tai čia realiai būdavo plėti.
You don't have a...
Huh?
You don't have a proper stuff? Okay, whatever.
Yeah. Yeah, so we basically would go by this thingy.
Well, you can go Russian style, you know, without...
No. It's enough for me to look up and I'm like, hell no, motherfucker.